Hello children, in this video we will see 10th standard arithmetic progressions exercise 1.2. In the last video I already explained you up to third main. So exercise 1.2 third main I completed. Now in this video I'll solve the fourth sum. Okay, fourth sum what they have given, see this is important sum. Most of the times they asked for 2 marks. Okay, what they have given in the question we'll see now. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 8 is 78? See, in the arithmetic progression you should understand the question first, what they have given in the question. See, this is the sequence 3, 8, 13, 80 is, see, which term of the AP, this is the AP, which term means, what is the meaning of which term? Which term means, what is the position of the 78 they are asking here. Which term of the AP is 78 means, what is the position of that 78 number? Here you see, this 3 is the first term, 8 is the second term, 13 is the third term, 18 is the fourth term, like that. Which term of the AP is 78 we want to find it. Means here, this is the first term, means n is 1 here. Position of the 3 is 1, first place. So n is 1. Which place, which term of the AP is, which term of the AP is 78 they ask now, like that. What is the position of this 78? What is n we have to find it here. This is 78 is the AN here. Okay. So if they asked which term of the AP means you have to find the n here. And using the AN formula only. AN formula is what? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Always you should write the formula. I already told you. In all the sums you have to write the formula first. Then what they given here? A. In the sequence first term is A, no? 3. And D value how we are going to find it? A2 minus A1. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. So A2 minus A1. I will do it. A2 what they have given there? 8 minus 3. How much will get it? 5. So D value is 5 here. And which term of the AP is 78 they asked? No, this is AN here. AN equal to 78. We want to find n. What number will come? No, that number is a 78. You should write that. So formula. What they have given the formula? AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. A value what we have there? 3 plus n we don't know. Keep as it is, minus 1 into D. D is 5. AN also they have given. Which term of the AP is 78 we want to find it. Position of the 78 we want to find here. So 78, however you can simplify. You can transfer 3 first here. Also we can simplify. Or after multiplication subtract these two, then also you can simplify. Simplification however you want you can do, but you should not forget the mathematical rules. N into 5 is 5n minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Now you see 3 minus 5 is 5n. I'll write as it is. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. This 78 as it is I'll write. This 2 I'll transfer left side. It will become plus 2 equal to 5n. Then 5n equal to 78 plus 2 is 80. Then n equal to 80 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are only, correct? No, 5 ones are 5. What remains? 30 remains. 5 6 are 30. So n equal to 16. So answer is 16th term of the AP is 78. What you should write? Therefore 16th term of the AP is 78. Whatever the given AP, no. In this 16th term if you find it means you will get a 78 there. Okay, understood? What I am saying, this is very important sum like this. Which term if they ask means you have to find the n value. Keep in mind. Now we'll see the next sum, that is fifth sum. what they given fifth sum, you see. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Here two sums they have given. First one we'll see first, then we'll see the second one. Okay, first one what they have given, see 7. Here also they clearly mentioned here in the last sum which term of the AP have they asked means you have to find the n value. Here clearly they mentioned find the number of terms. Number means we have to find n there. N means number of terms in the AP. Find the number of terms in the AP in the following AP. See here 7, 13, 19. So on up to 205. Here how many terms are there middle we don't know. We have to find how many terms are there up to 205. Up to 205 means this is a last term. Always last term represents an. Okay, this is a1, a2, a3, so on up to an. An is the last term in the AP. They have given the last term. How many terms are there between these two? You have to find it. How we will find that? Using the same formula. An formula is what? An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here we'll write what they have given first. So what they have given here, a equal to 7, d how we are going to find it, a2 minus a1, a2 is what here, 13 minus 7, 13 minus 7 how much will get it, 6. Then an they have given as a 205. We'll substitute and find it now. Okay, we'll write the an formula first. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, an value is 205 is equal to a value is 7 plus n we have to find it because they clearly mentioned find the number of terms. D is 6 here. So 205 is equal to 7 plus 6 into n is 6n minus 6. 6 into 1 is, here minus is there. So minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. Now 205 is equal to 7 minus 6 is plus 1 plus 6n. I subtracted these two. You can't subtract with this. Okay, that is containing n there. You can't subtract it. Next. So 1 I will transfer left side. 205 minus 1 equal to 6n. Okay, next 205 minus 1 is 204. So I'll write like this. You can write like this also. Just I am writing 6n this side and 204. Then n is equal to 204 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 3 is 18. What remains here? 20 minus 18 is 2. 24. So 6 4s are 24. So n is equal to 34. What they asked here actually? Find the number of terms. How many terms are there in that AP? 34 terms are there in that AP. Now we'll see the second sum. So one more sum they have given in that same main. Two sums they have given. Second sum is they have given as 18, 15, 1 by 2 they have given. Like this they have given. 15 1 by 2, 13, so on up to minus 47. Okay, first I will convert this 18. Second one I will convert into improper fraction. 15 to the 30 plus 1, 31 by 2. This is mixed fraction they have given. 15 to the 30 plus 1, 31 by 2. Then 13, so on up to minus 47. This is A1, A2, A3, last term is AN. Okay, like this you have to find it. So here what they have given, A they given as 18, D you have to find it. D how will you find it? A2 minus A1. A2 what we have here, 31 by 2 minus 18. You have to take the LCM. LCM is 2. Here I will multiply 2. If you multiply 2 there, what will get it? 31 minus 18 to the 36. So you will get answer 31 minus 36. Bigger number is 36. Here it is containing negative sign. So minus 5 by 2. D will come negative. D equal to minus 5 by 2 and AN is equal to minus 47. We'll solve the sum using the formula now. Formula is AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN what they have given? 47 minus 47 is equal to A value is, A value what we have here? 18 plus N we have to find it because they clearly mentioned find the number of terms. N. D value is minus 5 by 2. I'll put in a bracket because minus is there. Minus 47. I will do one thing here. This plus 18 I can transfer left side now because here plus is there. I can transfer to left. Here also we can do that. 1 you can take first only. Sorry, 7 only you can take 7. 7 only you can take first, no problem. How like that also we can do. Why I am doing that? Because anyhow fraction is there here. I'll transfer, it will become smaller number. It is easy to solve it. However, you can simplify it, no problem. Minus, if I transfer left side means it will become minus 18 is equal to, here you see, I'll multiply inside the bracket. Here plus is there, plus into minus is minus 5 by 2 n. This minus into minus will become plus 5 by 2. Okay, here I will solve it now. Okay, next after this step, minus 47 minus 18 means both also containing minus means you have to add it, right? 47 18, add it. 8 plus 7, how much will come? 15 65 minus 65 is equal to, here this 5 by 2 if I take left side means it will become minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 n. Now I'll take my LCM again. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? 2. Here you should multiply 2. Okay. Minus 65 into 2. 5 to the 10, 1, 2 6 12, 13. 130. Minus 130 minus, here no need to multiply anything. Minus 30 minus 5 is minus 135 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 n. Now n we want to find it. Remaining terms you transfer left side. This minus also I'll transfer left side. So I'll write like this. Minus 5 by 2 n is equal to minus 135 by 2. Then n is equal to minus 135 by 2. This denominator is there, no? Left side it will go to numerator into 2 by 5. That minus also is there. Minus into minus will become plus there. This 2 will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10, 3 remains. Then 3 remains 35. 5 2s are 10, 13 minus 10 is 3, 35, 7. So n is equal to 27. N equal to 27. That is the last, sorry. How many terms are there in this AP? 27 terms are there. Like this you have to find it. These are the important sums. Please see the video carefully and understand it and practice the sums. If you like this video, please like, share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button to get the notifications of next videos. Next sums we'll solve in the next videos. Thank you.